Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna take a look at how to delete TikTok story. This is gonna be a real quick and easy video, so let's jump right into it. First, let me show you by posting a story, and the story has been uploaded. Now the way that you delete it is tap on your profile icon on the bottom. Now, unlike any other social media, TikTok story are visible on the post section right here. You can see on other social medias, the stories will be visible on the profile section. If you tap on it, the story would pop up. But for TikTok, you can easily see it on the post section next to all of your posts. The only difference is it says story right here. To delete the story that you've added in, tap and open up the story. Once the story has been opened, tap on the three dots that you see on the bottom right. Once you do, a menu will open up, and on the bottom you'll see delete option. Tap on delete and again delete. And as easy as that, your story has been deleted. This is the same process as deleting any TikTok videos on your profile. You will see a delete option right here. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure you comment down below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.